Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to file a prior tax return on Turbotax. So let's get started. Turbotax is a fantastic piece of software. We're going to jump now into turbotax.com, and this is their official website. As you can see over here, before we even sign up, you can go up to the top of the page and then you can look for support. Now underneath the support tab, you'll find a file, a prior taxes right over here. You'll be able to now find the prior yours tax number that you can use. So that's 2021 and 2020, and then you can go ahead and choose the package that you want to use. So it's from deluxe all the way to the business with its price tag, and you can go ahead and just tap on the buy now and enter your payment details and make the purchase. Then what you want to do from here is it will download to your device. So you want to install that software, and that software will help you file your prior taxes return. What you want to do thereafter is you want to jump back into the TurboTax website where you can see your account, and you're going to go ahead and look at the wages and income. And what we're going to do here is you're going to complete the return for that specific year, and then TurboTax will help you through the entire process. Alternatively, you can actually go to the IRS website, and over here you can go into the search bar on the right hand side, and you can go ahead and search for that particular year that you would like to file that return prior of, and in the results you should find the form that you need. And now previously what I wanted to search for is 2017, and actually it says over here for prior year forms. So here you can go and you can find all the prior years forms. So there's 2021, 2022, and then you can download the forms that you need, and then you can go ahead and mail it back to the IRS. If this video was helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.